Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how to unmute someone on Instagram posts and Reels. Let's get started. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Then, search for the profile of the person you want to unmute the notifications by tapping on the search icon. Now tap on their profile. Tap on the bell icon at the top right. Now toggle on the icons for posts and Reels. Now you will be notified every time this person posts or post Reels. And that is how to unmute someone on Instagram post and Reel. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.